What's the meaning of American English? American English. American English. American English. American English. American English.
American English refers to the form of English spoken in the United States and reflects the country's history, geography, and culture. It has several unique features, including differences in vocabulary, pronunciation, and spelling compared to British English. While the two variations share many similarities, American English has evolved over time to become distinct in various ways. Given the influence of American culture worldwide, its version of English has become widely recognized and is often taught as the default mode of language learning in many countries.